Let's dive into this topic. For entrepreneurs with ADHD, running a business can feel like a constant battle against distraction and overload.
Absolutely. It's almost like every day is a juggling act, right?
Yeah, it's like you're trying to keep all these balls in the air, and now AI tools, ChatGPT, Notebook LM, even Google Gemini are stepping up as sort of a digital co-pilot to help manage those challenges, especially in planning and creativity.
Right? They're not just buzzwords anymore. They actually help tackle executive function issues, time management, task breakdown, and even content creation.
Exactly. Take Goblin.tools, for example. It can break down a huge task, like building a website, into bite-sized, actionable steps. This sort of thing can transform a daunting project into something much more manageable.
That makes a lot of sense, though, I worry. Does leaning on AI risk making our work sound generic? What about keeping our personal voice?
Good question. But actually, these tools are getting smart. They learn from your feedback. One entrepreneur, Maggie Gill, even trained her bestie AI to capture her style. So you still sound very you.
That's really reassuring. And then there's scheduling. AI is said to help overcome time blindness, right?
Absolutely. With tools like Google Gemini, it's not just about fast replies. It's organizing your calendar, setting reminders, even acting like an external executive function. Imagine a dynamic assistant asking you what's most urgent and then helping you map it out.
And it even jumps into content creation, right? Like helping generate ideas and even getting you started on drafts when that blank page stares back at you.
Exactly. It's that initial spark turning into a first draft, whether it's for a blog post, an email, or social media content. It takes that creative energy and channels it into structure so you can build on it.
I love that. It really removes a lot of initial friction, meaning you get to spend more time on the big picture ideas.
Right. And it further supports research, data analysis, even summarizing long documents, which helps cut through the noise. It's all about making decisions and strategic planning a bit more straightforward.
That definitely sounds empowering. For those with ADHD, it means less mental clutter and more time to focus on what truly matters.
Exactly. It's like having a supportive, personalized co-pilot that handles the structured stuff and lets your creative side shine. This way, you build momentum without being overwhelmed by details.
It's a secret weapon, amplifying your natural strengths rather than trying to fix everything manually.
Absolutely. So if you're out there managing these challenges, start small. Experiment with one AI tool to tackle a single pain point, and then gradually build your toolkit. The learning curve is real, but the payoff is huge.
That's a fantastic takeaway. Using AI to manage the day-to-day structure really frees up brain space for creativity and strategic vision.
Exactly. And it's all about reducing stress and boosting productivity so you can thrive as an entrepreneur.
Incredible insights. Here's to leveraging AI as a partner that turns challenges into strengths. Thanks for the deep dive.
Thank you. Keep experimenting. And remember, it's not about replacing your genius. It's about amplifying it. Until next time.